Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be working or I will teach you how to program Arduino and make a Bluetooth controlled circuit. So it's pretty easy actually thing, but I found that it's a frequently asked question on how to make Bluetooth circuits with Arduino. So today we're going to be going around the basics on how to use Arduino and the Bluetooth module, which is, as you can see, packaged in some anti-static bags just for safety, and combining Arduino and a Bluetooth module. So let's begin. So first things are first, guys, I got the Arduino Uno and the HC05 modules. There's a little bit more stuff that you're gonna need. So today we're gonna be using this new servo. It's Tower Pro Metal Gear servo that I bought months ago or something, but I never used. I just found it today in my storage area, so I decided to use it. It's a Tower Pro servo. It's MG90S. And got all of its stuff that you can put on here. So yeah, and as well I got this USB A to B cable, and or any printer cable, you know. I got a couple of jumper wires. I've got male to male and female to female, which I will connect to my Bluetooth module here. So guys, let's begin connecting the circuit and hop into my PC to show you some stuff in the code. So let's begin. So guys, I'm done right here with the connections. As you can see, I did not plug in the RX and TX connections because we will be uploading the code, and these connections will mess around with your IDE software and with your code, so don't plug them right now, and we are pretty much perfect. So let's hop into the computer and show you the tips and tricks on Bluetooth programming, and let's go.
So guys, here I am on my PC, and I opened my Arduino IDE software with my code written down inside of it. So real quick guys, I'm gonna show you the code right here, so let's begin. So first of all, I typed in include servo.h, which is the official Arduino servo library, which is pre-installed with the IDE software, so you don't need to worry about downloading that. And then you've got the servo L, which is a servo control object. This is if you're like connecting the servo to your Arduino, so you type in this command as your control object. Then you've got void setup. You've got attach servo to pin 9, or like you're telling the Arduino that you're connecting the servo to pin 9, and these numbers are the maximum PWM signal for the pin 9, which is actually PWM signal. If you look right beside it, you will see like a PWM sign besides 9 and on your Arduino. And then I've got 900 and 2100, which is the minimum and maximum values of your PWM. Then you've got serial begin, which begins the baud rate, or begins the communication and sets the baud rate for your data communication. Scrolling down a little bit, you've got void loop, which is your loop which is keeping like on running over and over again. You've got if serial is available, which says like you send data only to your, like the Arduino sends data to whatever device you connected when it receives data from your phone or from your PC, from your serial monitor. And then you've got data equals serial read, which is a command makes you read the incoming data from your connected device. And then you've got these commands here which prints or prints the received value in your serial monitor right here. And then now we begin the coding, which is like the coding of the functions, which is the fun part right here. So if data double equals 1, so it checks if the send value equals 1, which is coming from your device, which is an on or an off or more complicated functions. Then you servo write negative 180 degrees. This like tells your Arduino if the incoming data is 1, so you rotate the servo negative 1080 degrees counterclockwise. And then you type in else if data equals 0, which is the off button in your phone. Servo right 180, which is rotating 180 degrees clockwise. So it's a pretty straightforward code right here.
Guys, right now I've got my phone right here as well as my circuit, so let me connect my Arduino to my PC. So as you can see, right when I connected that, servo turned a little bit, which means that we're looking good. So right now let me connect my RX and TX connections, which we did not connect. So let me open my phone real quick and open my LED controller app. So first of all, you gotta allow, sorry guys, I did not turn Bluetooth on. So we've got Bluetooth on now. I paired my phone with the HC05 Bluetooth module, so sorry guys for that, and I connect that real quick, and then you've got on and off. So on, it turns this way, and off, it turns the other way, as you can see.